I'm going to show you how to target. No, today I'm going to show you how to serve your ads to more people outside of your target.
Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the detailed, whatever it's called,
detailed target expansion. Today I'm going to talk about the detailed targeting expansion tool, what it does and how to activate it. So I've set up a test campaign, a test ad set and a test ad for the purpose of this video, and you want to look at ad set level, and when you are editing at ad set level you want to scroll down to the audience section. Now in the audience section you would set up your targeting and you would choose the location of the people that you want to target, the age range of the people, the gender, and then of course your demographic interest and behavior targeting. Now, underneath the section where you would choose the demographic, the interest, or the behavior, there is a little checkbox that says Detailed Targeting Expansion. Quite simply, to activate it, what you would do is you would tick that box. Now, when you tick that box, Facebook will use historic information mixed with machine learning and AI to try and figure out if there are any other types of people that would potentially be relevant to your ads that you haven't put in your detailed targeting already. What this will do is it will reach more new users that you haven't included that Facebook thinks are relevant when it's likely to improve the performance of the ads. This is a really great tool for people that are wanting to push more brand awareness, or if you just want to get your brand in front of more people that haven't seen your brand before but are potentially in a buying cycle or in a buying phase. This tool is very, very good for reaching people that you haven't thought of already. So lots of time people that are building, ads managers that are building ads quite often can get stuck with the types of people that they're trying to target. And this tool really, really does help when you want to reach a broader audience than the one you're currently getting when you put your interest-based targeting in there. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more awesome tutorials, follow us on all platforms at Everything Digital Official. Done. Finished. That's it. That is it, man. That is it, man. Have I got a lazy eye? I have, haven't I?